Hi, welcome to Joyous Conscious Crystals. This is just a quick video to let you know what the free course is. So on our Conscious Crystals website we have a really great, just completely free course teaching you why crystal essences work or elixirs work, how they work and how to use them. So whether you've used them before and are just interested in finding out exactly how they work, or if you're brand new to it and interested to see if they're going to help you, it's a really great little course. It's very quick, very easy and to the point, explaining it. And also there's some meditations in there, so if you are using crystal essences and want to really connect to them and help get the very best value you can out of those essences, it's a really great course to do. And also the meditations in there, or relaxation techniques in there, are fantastic to really help you get the most and really understand your personal growth and how you're changing. So and help you move through any blocks. Often even with essences they do help you, anything that they bring up, any shadow they bring up, they help you move through it. But sometimes it's really good to actually understand on a mental level as well what's going on, that can help support you in your journey. So and also if you're any therapist and you use crystal essences or any kind of essences really, you're welcome to share this with your clients. I'm really happy for you to do that. This is about getting the knowledge out there. So enjoy, and please register in the link wherever I've put it. And welcome to Crystal Consciousness and Joyous Earth. Bye.